Hello everybody, today we're going to create a link for customers to write you Google reviews. There are two ways to do this. One is by Googling your business. Once you find it on the right hand side right here, scroll down to the right review, click on that. Once this pops up, you would copy this and you would usually just send this URL to your customers. This doesn't always work, so there is another way to do it. And it's a little more involved, but I think it's a little better and it looks much cleaner than this. So the first thing you would do is go to the blog post, which I have linked below, so just check on the description for the link if you're not a video person, and you will go down to create a link using Place ID lookup tool. Now what this tool does is you go down here and you enter your business name. If your business is fairly new, you might not find it, so your best bet is the first option. But if it's not, if you can find your business on here, then it's better. So let's say my business is McDonald's. I find a McDonald's. I want, say mine is in New York somewhere. Okay, so then what this would do is it's going to give you a place ID. You copy this place ID. Actually, first you will copy this URL over here in red, bring that into a text editor, and where it says replace with place ID number or ID, you would just copy this and replace this, and bam, you have yourself a nice link where people can go and review your business.